Are you ready to take control of your career? Break free from the 9-to-5 grind and unlock the secrets to earning big money online? Welcome to After Hour Passion, the channel that empowers you to master the art of freelancing and pave your way to financial success. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of freelancing and reveal the strategies you need to know to earn a substantial income online. Get ready, because your journey to financial independence starts now. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a game changer. It offers you the freedom to work from anywhere, the flexibility to choose your projects, and the potential to earn big money using your unique skills and expertise. Imagine traveling the world while running your own thriving business. Picture yourself working on projects that excite you, without the constraints of a traditional job. Freelancing opens up a world of possibilities and empowers you to take control of your professional destiny. But here's the catch. Freelancing is not just about making money. It's about pursuing your passions, honing your skills, and creating a life of purpose. It's about leveraging your unique talents to make a meaningful impact and leave a lasting legacy. In this channel, we are dedicated to guiding you on your journey to master the art of freelancing. We'll equip you with the knowledge, strategies, and insider secrets to unlock your full earning potential and build a thriving freelance career that aligns with your passions. The first step to becoming a successful freelancer is discovering your unique skills. What are you naturally good at? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Take a moment to reflect on your passions and talents. Are you a creative wordsmith, a tech-savvy programmer, or a visionary graphic designer? Your skills are your superpower, and they will be the foundation of your freelance career. Now that you've identified your skills, it's time to build your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients and showcasing your expertise. Create a professional website or portfolio that highlights your best work. Leverage the power of social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to connect with potential clients and establish your credibility in the industry. Remember, your online presence is your virtual storefront, so make it shine. A well-crafted proposal is your ticket to winning high-paying freelance projects. It's your chance to showcase your skills, demonstrate your value, and convince clients that you're the perfect fit for their needs. So, let's dive into the essential elements that will help you nail the perfect proposal. Before crafting your proposal, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the client's needs. Take the time to research their business, their industry, and their pain points. What specific challenges are they facing? What goals do they want to achieve? This information will help you tailor your proposal to address their unique requirements. Highlight your relevant experience and skills that directly align with the client's needs. Discuss specific projects or accomplishments that demonstrate your expertise in tackling similar challenges. Remember, clients want to see that you have the knowledge and capability to deliver exceptional results. Clearly outline your approach and methodology for tackling the project. Describe the steps you will take, the strategies you will employ, and the timeline for completion. This shows the client that you have a well-thought-out plan and instills confidence in your ability to deliver. It's important to articulate the value you bring to the client's business. Explain how your work will help them achieve their goals, increase their revenue, or save them time and resources. Show them the return on investment (ROI) they can expect by working with you. Clients want to see that their investment in your services will yield tangible benefits. Discuss your pricing and payment terms in a transparent manner. Clearly state your rates or project fees and explain how you structure payments. If applicable, provide different package options that offer varying levels of service. Be open to negotiation, but also make sure to value your time and expertise appropriately. Finally, conclude your proposal with a strong call to action. Encourage the client to take the next step by contacting you or scheduling a call to discuss the project further. Make it easy for them to reach out and emphasize your availability and enthusiasm to work with them. By incorporating these elements into your proposal, you'll increase your chances of impressing clients and winning lucrative freelance projects. Remember, your proposal is not just a document. It's your opportunity to make a compelling case for why you are the best choice for the job. Now, armed with the knowledge of crafting the perfect proposal, go out there and secure those high-paying freelance opportunities. Your success as a freelancer awaits. Pricing your services strategically is an essential aspect of freelancing. Determining your worth can be challenging, but it's crucial to avoid undervaluing your skills. Let's explore the key factors to consider when pricing your services strategically. First factor: research industry standards and benchmarks. Begin by researching industry standards and benchmarks. Gain an understanding of the average rates in your field for similar services. This research will give you a baseline to start with and help you gauge the market value of your skills. Second factor: evaluate your unique value proposition. Assess your unique value proposition and what sets you apart from your competitors. Consider your expertise, experience, and the results you can deliver. If you offer specialized skills or have a track record of exceptional results, you can justify pricing yourself higher than the industry average. Third factor: consider time, effort, and complexity. Take into account the time, effort, and complexity involved in completing a project. Projects that require extensive research, complex problem solving, or tight deadlines may warrant higher rates. Assess the level of expertise and commitment required to ensure you're compensated fairly for your efforts. Fourth factor: factor in overhead and expenses. Don't forget to factor in your overhead and business expenses. Consider costs such as software subscriptions, equipment, marketing, and self-employment taxes. These costs need to be covered by your pricing to ensure you're running a sustainable freelance business. Fifth factor: gradually increase rates over time. As you gain experience, positive feedback, and build a solid reputation, gradually increase your rates. Incremental increases demonstrate your growing expertise and value to clients. Regularly assess and adjust your rates to reflect the increasing demand for your services and the value you bring to the table. Sixth factor: be prepared to negotiate. Understand that negotiations are a part of the freelancing process. Be prepared to negotiate your rates, but always hold your ground on the value you provide. Consider offering flexible pricing options or additional services to accommodate clients' budgets without compromising your worth. By considering these key factors and pricing your services strategically, you can ensure that you're fairly compensated for your skills and expertise as a freelancer. Remember, pricing is not just about earning money. It's about recognizing your value and positioning yourself for long-term success. Now, armed with the knowledge of strategic pricing, go forth and thrive as a successful freelancer. Congratulations! You've now learned the key strategies to master the art of freelancing and earn big money online with your skills. It's time to embrace your journey to financial freedom and live life on your terms. Remember, freelancing is not just about making money. It's about pursuing your passions, creating a flexible lifestyle, and finding fulfillment in your work. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and tips on how to thrive as a freelancer. Remember, your dreams of earning big money online and living life on your terms are within reach. Believe in yourself, embrace the power of freelancing, and let your skills be the catalyst for your success. Thank you for watching.